Welcome to today's video on toolsets in Tebis. Machining toolsets are automatically generated from the tools you select during your programming. We can see these at our NC machining level under the Tools tab. Here are the tools selected during the programming of this machining. In Tebis, you also have the option to create your own custom toolsets. Today we will walk through how that works. So under your machining technology, you will see T-set. If we open that up and right click, you can see there are two different types of toolsets: tool magazines and tool tables. A tool magazine is driven by the magazine pot number, and when you create a new magazine, Tebis prompts you to define the first and last position. That range becomes your magazine. As you can see scrolling down, a new tool magazine has been generated with 99 pots. If you need more slots, you can right-click the magazine, open your properties, and extend the magazine position. Tebis supports up to 1,000. To insert tools into this magazine, we right-click, and under Create, we can search from our tool library. Here, we select our tool, click OK, and the tool drops into place. As you can see, the information of the tool is loaded here. Right-clicking on this populated slot, under Properties, you can see we have the option to label it as a standard tool and a manual change. We also have the ability to mass select tools. Again, using the same. In our tool library, using the Shift key, we can select all our desired tools. And lastly, we have the option to block a space from the pot. Next, we can look at tool tables. A tool table works very similarly, but you can identify via 3 addresses: tool identifier, tool name, and tool directory. For this example, we would select tool identifier. A new tool table is generated, and as you can see, they have slightly different icons. Tool tables work in a similar fashion, where we can right-click and pull tools from our tool library to populate. We have the same option of labeling a standard tool and a manual change. Now we can continue to pull tools. Again, we have the ability to mass select tools, and as you can see, the tool address has been pulled through from the tool identifier. We can save that. Once your tool sets are created, you have the ability to name them as desired. Next, if we look in our machining library, under our machine drop-down, you can see the toolset parameter. Here we have the availability to attach a toolset to the machine. Now, when you start a new machining and you select your machine, you get prompted if you wish to apply the T-set from the machine. We click Yes, and you can see our tool set has also been loaded in. This gives you full control over the tooling setup and keeps your workflow clean and consistent. Thank you for watching.